औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बड़ा मेहरबान नहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट है और इस वक्त हम यूनिट नंबर 6 को पढ़ रहे हैं जिसका नाम कंटेंट सिलेक्शन एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रिंसिपल्स है एंड प्रोसीजर्स है। और मैं मोहम्मद सफला खान आपसे मुखातिब हूँ और ये हमारा बीएड का कोर्स है जिसका कोर्स कोड नंबर 8603 है और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी का। स्टूडेंट शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन इस चैप्टर का वो है जी, एजुकेशन इज़ generally viewed as a process through which one generation transmitted its acquired knowledge, experience, competencies, beliefs, tradition and attitude to the next generation. यानी एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में चीज़ ट्रांसफ़र होती है. In the earlier ages, the major part of the process was accomplished in the homes, and parents' personal attention was considered to be an adequate source of education and training of their children. This process informs education was then expanded from home to the village community. Later on, when the human knowledge and experience increased, formal school and college were established. And now, when there is a rapid increase in knowledge with many branches of the curriculum, several academic facilities have been established in the university is in order to provide the requisites knowledge skills and experience to the students in the systematic manner. यानी इस तरीके के तहत ये सब हुआ है नॉलेज ट्रांसफ़र में. फिर है जी, दिस shows that curriculum content is expanded constantly, and as a result content selection is becoming a difficult task. It is therefore imperative to make an appropriate selection of content from different levels and stages on the basis of specific principles and scientific criteria. The following discussions raise the question printing to the principle the criteria to be adopted for content selection. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं. ये है जी, व्हाट इज़ द करिकुलम कंटेंट. स्मिथ, Senti and Shore in this book, Fundamentals of Curriculum Development, discuss the issues of curriculum content in detail. According to them, in the process of teaching, one must teach something to someone, the someone being the pupil, and something, the content might be described as the knowledge, skills, attitude, and the value to be learned. It include what means, how, the belief, but not everything they have created. For example, an institution such as a family matter, but what is known as the believer about the family and ideas were hold for family life are subject matter. Similarly, tools and machines are not subject matter but knowledge able how they are made, their operation and their uses is a subject matter then be included in the curriculum. Reply table have however differentiate between the terms learning experience and content. According to him, to the term learning expression experience refer to the interactive between the linear learner and the external conditions in the environment to which he can reach learning task placed through the active behavior of the student. It is what he does that he learn, not what the teacher does. It is possible for the two students to be in the same class, but in just possible that they might be have a very difficult team experience. This definition of experience and as involved the in direction of the student and his environment implies that the student is as active as participant. The problem of selection learning. आगे स्टूडेंट हम चलते हैं. ये जी हमारे पास आ रहा है. यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब द सब मैटर्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ फैक्टर्स एंड प्रिंसिपल. बुक्स एंड अदर्स instructional materials are heavily loaded with the future factual content. Courses in the history, for the example, of consist large of a factual statement about what happened, when and where it happens, and who was involved in the event. Biology courses contain features about the structure of plants announce plants and animals about their classification and about their functions, etc. Describe the principles are laws, rules, and theories, such as scientific laws and theories in the principle do not involve values, and remember face just as natural description of bar principles and face called a descriptive subject matters. उसके बाद ये normal subject matters individual make norms and um, aesthetic choice. It consists of norms and or statement with the respect to the value and standard when has built up these through generation. The objectives of each of the social morals and content economic the creation in the theory political institution, the legal system, the role of the acceptable family content for judgment and material art, merits and of art work, all would be included in such a list of normative rules and in would be still incomplete. तो आई स्टूडेंट्स देखते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव इस चैप्टर के वो क्या है. आफ्टर द स्टडी ऑफ दिस यूनिट यू विल बी एबल टू नंबर 1 क्या है जी डिफाइन द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म करिकुलम कंटेंट. नंबर 2 पे क्या है अंडरस्टैंड द नीड फॉर कंटेंट सिलेक्शन एंड नो द डिफरेंट levels of content and their function. Number 3 understand the principle and criteria for selecting the curriculum content. फिर है जी knowing the main procedure for content selection. Number 5 पे understand what is meant by curriculum organization. फिर क्या and be familiar with the criteria for assigning the effectiveness. फिर examine textbook and determine the procedure of content selection used by the author. फिर क्या है outline a procedure of content selection in field of your choice. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास क्या है द सिलेक्शन ऑफ करिकुलम कंटेंट प्रिंसिपल्स एंड क्राइटेरिया. स्टूडेंट्स क्या इसका बकायदा चैप्टर का आगाज़ करेंगे. द नीड फॉर सिलेक्शन ठीक है एज रोम पॉइंट आउट देयर आर मैनी फैक्टर्स विच हैव रूल्ड इन एन इंक्रीज्ड नीड फॉर द proper selection of curriculum material and experience. For example, it is impossible for anyone to master all the accumulation of human culture when what when was considered important aspect or knowledge for all educated persons are no longer generally viewed in the same light. Also, the concept of education has and as a percentage of the school age children in the school increase, there is a growth need to be carefully selected and curriculum content enables the learning to cope effectively with the complexity of the modern living. Similarly, we find of least research studied about the nature of the learning and the education process bear on the selection of the material and experience. The study of young youth provide many clues which are useful and an understanding of the learning in disciplinable as change take place in our concept of learning. They operate to produce change in curriculum content. आगे क्या जी principles of selecting curriculum content. ये within the context of our socio-cultural framework consist of some of the most important general principles for selecting content. ये you will be noticed that some of the issues have already been raised in student 1. तो क्या जी promoting Islamic ideology. Period the content should be referred and promote the Islamic ideology of Pakistan. Period develop social understanding. Body of educative experience should be selected which develop social understanding in judging different problems. फिर इसी पे promoting maximum personal development. period learning situations must be related to the unique characteristic of each learning. period desirable personal traits and wide range of specific interest opportunities should be promoted. Promoting the continuity of experience. The principle of indicators carried centered for the maturity and learning sequence of each learning. Providing of education aims. The content should be referred to the stated aims of the curriculum. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आता है जी procedure of a content selection. This issue has been discussed in terms by Smith, Sentley and sure. According to them, procedure of content selection are judgmental, फिर experimental, seek analytical and consensual. आगे क्या the judgment proceeds selection of sub matters. I the curriculum workers to answer the following question. ये that social and economical educational objectives should be accepted. फिर है what is the existing state of affairs in which these objectives are considered desired, appropriate, and in which they must be realized. फिर है what subject matter best satisfy these objectives under the existing condition. फिर के the most objective selection of content by the procedure requires that the interest, knowledge, and ideas of the curriculum workers raise about those of the specific social vision and freedom from restrictions, influence of personal rationalization. आगे क्या 20 ये क्या अगला टॉपिक ये क्या द एनालिसिस प्रोसीजर. ये क्या द एनालिसिस प्रोसीजर इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वाइडली knowledge method of content selection. In it's been costly identified with the Cartesian of unity. In general, it consists of any analysis of this thing people do in order to discover the submatter involved in these activities. There are three forms of the analysis procedure. Each follows more or less the same pattern. They are brief described is as follows. उसके बाद ये क्या जो activity analysis. ये क्या the purpose of the analysis is to discover the general activities of the people of the given nation, group or region. This analysis help in identify the relevant activities to be selected for the curriculum. Job analysis. The analysis is applied to vocational operations to determine whether what should be taught in professional preparation of teacher course. For example, an analysis of their work would come in the basis of the teacher educational process programs. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं हमारे पास आ रहे जब द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ करिकुलम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये द प्रिंसिपल suggested for use in selecting education content are also useful in considering organization and may be modified slightly to become more applicable for such a purpose. Period. A pattern of the curriculum with its subdivision should be placed and structured with due regarding to be based up with which has been suggested as underlined the operation of the school, the purpose of education, the need and the ability of the learning and educative process. A पे provide for a scope and sequence with flexibility. B पे के provide a common body of educative experience plus those which are essential in meeting special interest and need. फिर है जी be concurrent with the manner in which the learning take place. फिर है जी implement the attainment of state objective and encouraging the evaluation of pupil growth and development in terms of these objectives. Give consideration to the individual learning and involve them in cooperative curriculum planning and active learning ventures. Relate to the total equation education picture in way so as to affect favorable the learning climate in the school and in the community. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास कंक्लूजन आता है इस चैप्टर का. वो है द अबव डिस्कशन लीड टू द कंक्लूजन दैट द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट Cartesian point of the selection of the curriculum content is the Islamic society, which puts equal emphasis upon the materialistic and spectacle development of the individual and society. Furthermore, the content should be selected and presented in such a way that a balance between the permanence and change is established. In other words, we have to conserve the permanent perennial value and also adopt innovation and change. A balanced curriculum would therefore be one which take care of the need and interest of the individual as well as society future. Further, the selection of such content should be satisfied the criteria of validity, specification in interest and learning about ability. फिर in unit 4 you study in detail of aims, goals and objectives and importance of the stating these clarity as first step in the curriculum planning and evaluation. Evaluating was stressed in this unit. We have considered the next stage, the selection of curriculum content. It is now time to look the evaluation of the curriculum which is covered in unit number 6. तो फिर मान लिया यहाँ हमारा स्टूडेंट यूनिट नंबर ये इख्तिताम पजीर होता है. तो हमारा बीएड का कोर्स का कोड नंबर 8603 था. तो गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम. फी अमान अल्लाह.